Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video, I'm going to talk about compound assignment operators in JavaScript, or math operator shorthand. So it's called compound because it's composed of two operators. The first one is addition and assignment, subtraction and assignment, multiplication assignment, and division assignment. Now there's even shorter name, plus equals to, minus equals to, and so on. Now, one equal sign in JavaScript called assignment operator because it assigns a value to a variable, but there are also double and triple equal sign. I'll make another video and talk about the difference between them. So now let's go through each of these one by one. Let's create a variable var mynum equals to 10. Let's log it to the console and it returns the value which is 10. If I want to add a number to my variable, I have to type that long thing. So now it's 15 because I'm adding 5 to it. This is such a common pattern in programming that there is shorter way of doing it, and that's what we are going to do. mynum plus equals to 5. So instead of typing this whole thing, you can just type this. That's shorter, quicker. Let's save and see, we are still getting 15. Now let's comment this one. Let's comment this and use the subtraction and assignment. Now it was 10 minus 5 is 5. Let's comment this one and use multiplication and assignment. 5 times 10 is 50. I can comment this one, and for the last one it will be division assignment, and let's save it. 10 divided by 5 is 2. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one, and please consider subscribing if you like my tutorial. Anyway.